Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. If your Fanimation ceiling fan remote has suddenly stopped working, don't panic. In this quick and easy 2025 guide, I'll walk you through how to sync or reset it and get your fan running again. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn off power to the fan. First, turn off the fan at the wall switch or circuit breaker. You want to make sure the unit is fully powered down before resyncing the remote. Step 2. Check the battery in your remote. Remove the battery cover and replace the battery with a fresh one. A weak or dead battery is often the simplest cause of remote failure. Step 3. Locate the dip switches. Both the remote and the fan receiver have dip switches, tiny numbered switches that control communication. Use a small tool or pen to open the battery compartment and find them. Step 4. Match the dip switch settings. Make sure the dip switch settings on the remote match exactly with the ones on the receiver inside the fan canopy. If they don't match, the remote won't connect. Step 5. Turn the power back on and test. Once you've confirmed everything is matched and secure, turn the power back on and test the remote. Try turning the fan on and off and adjust the speeds or light if your model includes that. Extra tip. If syncing still doesn't work, reset the fan by turning it off and on again, then hold the power button on the remote for 10 seconds to repair. That's it. Your Fanimation remote should now be synced and working like new. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.